Guys, in this video you will learn how you can connect Pointerpro with Google Sheets and add Pointerpro contacts automatically into your Google Sheets. For that we are going to connect Pointerpro, which is formerly known as Survey Anyplace, as the trigger application and Google Sheets as the action application in the workflow. And guys, after that, whenever you are going to add a new contact in Pointerpro, the same contact will be added in Google Sheets in a row automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And you can set up this automation very easily without any coding. Let me show you how. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and we have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to set up and test your automations. Okay, so you can sign up right now, then you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a name to this workflow as well. So I am giving the name as Pointerpro to Google Sheets. Okay, so after giving the name, just click on create and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And here you will find these two modules, the trigger and actions. With the help of these things, we are going to set up this automation. Okay, so guys, trigger, in the trigger module, you have to connect the trigger application. That means that application in which the trigger event is going to occur. Trigger event means that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the consequence or the response towards the trigger. Okay, so here in our use case, the Pointerpro is the trigger application, and whenever we are going to add a contact here, that same contact will be added into Google Sheet. So Google Sheet is the action application. So search for Pointerpro here in the trigger. Okay, here it is selected, and you can see it is showing every 10 minutes. So this trigger is going to check in every 10 minutes if you have a new contact in Pointerpro, and after every 10 minutes it is going to run and execute the workflow. So here in the trigger event you have to select this new contact option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Pointerpro or Survey Anyplace. Okay, so you will find this key here in this my account section. So let me show you directly where you can find the key. So you can see this is my Pointerpro's dashboard, and here, and when you click on this profile icon, you will find this my account option. Click on my account, and when you scroll down here on this page, you will find this API key like this. So click on copy from here and paste this key here in this API key field like this. Okay, then click on save and you will be connected with Pointerpro. So now when you click on save and send test request, the most recent contact that you have added in Pointerpro will be fetched here in the response. Let me show you. So guys, this is my Pointerpro and these are the contacts I have, and the last contact I have added is this one, dummy contact. Okay, now let me click here on save and send test request, and let's see if we got the data. And here you can see we have received the data of the dummy contact as it is from Pointerpro. Okay, so this is our test data, and now what we want after capturing the test data, I want that this data should be sent to my Google Sheets. So for that, connect Google Sheets here. Here it is selected, and in the action event select add new row option. Okay, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from here you have to select that Google account by which you have created that sheet. Then you have to provide some additional access to Pabbly Connect. Just click on continue from here. Okay, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are connected with Google Sheets. Okay, and here it is asking to select your spreadsheet's name. So my spreadsheet is this, the name is Pointerpro signups. So here I'm going to search for it from this field, and you can see it is showing the list of all the sheets that you have. From here I'm selecting this one. All right, and here you can see guys, after selecting the spreadsheet's name, it started showing to select the sheet's name. So my sheet name is this, sheet 1. Okay, and here it is asking for the first name, last name, email, and the personal ID. So guys, these fields are the headers of the columns that I have here. You can see first name, last name, email, and personal ID. So all these things I want to add from Pointerpro. So I have got the test data captured here like this. So guys, I'm going to map these labels here inside this these fields that I have in the second step. Okay, so to map the labels, you just have to click here on this first name field like this, and it will show you the Pointerpro trigger step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received. From here you can just map the first name like this, the last name like this, email like this, and the personal ID like this. Okay, now you can check your connection with Pointerpro by clicking on save and send test request, and a new row will be added in front of you here in this spreadsheet. Okay, let me show you. I'm clicking on save and send test request, guys, and this is the response we have received. Let's see in our spreadsheet if we got the data. And here you can see, guys, we received the data here like this from Pointerpro. Okay, these are all the details that I have mapped here, and I have received the data here as it is. Okay, so guys, when you map the labels here like this, what will happen after setting up this automation in real time? Whenever any new contact will be added here in Pointerpro, the details of the same contact will be updated here in these labels, and the same contact details will be added here in a new row in your spreadsheet. That's why it is important to map the labels. Okay, so we are done setting up the automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to even touch this workflow. After that, in every 10 minutes, this workflow is going to check automatically if you have a new contact in Pointerpro or not, and if you have one, the same contact will be sent to your spreadsheet here like this automatically. Okay, and you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.